So if you're like me, you hate dealing with a dirty car, especially after it rains. That's what I decided to test out this new ceramic coating spray. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I hope I can answer some of your questions. The first thing is what's inside. It comes with a bottle of the ceramic spray, and it also comes with a microfiber towel to apply it. That's it, nice and simple, no complicated tools needed. Applying it, it's super easy. The first step, and this is crucial, is to make sure your car is completely clean and dry. Once it's ready, you just spray a small amount onto the section of the car, wipe it in with a clean microfiber towel, and then use the other side of the towel to buff it out to shine. This product is safe for any car color. I have been using it in this blue car, and I also use it in my gray color car, and it works just as well on both. Take in consideration that this is a hydrophobic barrier that repels water, dust, and dirt, but it is not a scratch-proof shield. So, it's great for keeping your car clean, but it won't prevent physical damage. And finally, how long does the coating last? Well, the manufacturer claims it lasts for 6 months or more, and based on my experience so far, it holds up really well. If you're looking for a simple way to keep your car looking great with a high gloss finish and solid protection from the elements, this is a great product to try.